Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is date 14th. I probably knew that because it's Tuesday of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about today's poem. I just went 5 miles today. Tomorrow I have a 10-mile race. I don't know that I'm going to take it like intensely, so I don't know. But I still need to uh, go to bed soon. Usually it actually doesn't bother me, but this entire week I've been sleeping even more poorly than usual due to allergies. It's just kicking my butt for some allergies or something in the air or something. So I've been like sleeping even more poorly and still running really hard, and everything together is just not a good combination. But less than 2 months to go to the marathon, so we will see how it goes. But I am ready to take a nap after this, and then actually I gotta figure out my schedule. But afterwards, obviously. Anyway, let's take a look at today's problem. We have 966. Wow, Spellchecker. Okay. Implement Spellchecker to convert a query word into a correct word. For a given query word, the Spellchecker handles 2 categories of spelling mistake. Word list query yellow. But is that an O or a C? Huh, I guess that's a big O. Alright. Alright. Capitalization is easy, it seems like maybe. Vowel errors. If after replacing the vowels of the query the matches the word case. So okay, YOLO correct yellow. Okay. Okay, I mean, I guess we'll see. I'm still a little confused about what this thing wants, or maybe just lazy. Okay, so then first we want to. So we have these 3 things, right? At least, or 5 things maybe. So we have to kind of do them in one at a time. If it matches word exactly, then we with case sensitive, so we could maybe even just have like I don't know, scene is equal to set of word list, and that's easy enough, right? Maybe we do it one at a time, right? So for Q in queries, if Q is in scene, then then Q, right? And then we continue. Okay, so that's for the same word or whatever, right? Matches a word up to capitalization, you return the first such. What does that mean? What does up to capitalization mean? Like, this is barely English, but okay. Is it just that if there are multiple word lists, then we do it on the first one? Okay, I mean, that's fine maybe. But it's just very weird. Okay, so caps, right? Maybe is equal to set. And we want basically no, it's not a set, it's a dictionary, of course. How do I want to do it? Well, for capitalization, we could just, I mean, for all these things, the idea is to normalize. So the idea is really just how do we want to normalize, right? For word in word list, then here caps up word to lowercase or lower is equal to word. And that should be done, that should be good enough, except for this first such match thing, which I don't know. I don't know what up to capitalization is, but I'm guessing that it's just, I don't know. If it matches, then we do this, right? But of course, there's a tiebreaker, so you could either do it in like a reversed kind of way, so that the last thing updated would be the better, or you could just do like an if check statement. I don't know which one's better. It doesn't really matter, right? And then now caps, right? Q in caps, then answer dot append caps up Q. Oh, and this is wrong. This is a Q dot lower. And then continue, right? Okay, and then the other one is Vowel's error, right? So then we still same thing, same idea. First such word, so reversing is fine, but we want to do like vowels. And then we want to again normalize. So here, yeah, we can just put like a placeholder any vowels kind of thing, right? So maybe we have vowels of let's call it norm, say word is equal to word, right? And then norm is just for normalization based on vowels. You have a W for word, and then it is just for C and W. If C is in A, I, O, U, if the lowercase is this, then answer dot append. Some placeholder. I'm gonna use a star. Else answer dot append, and it should be lowercase, right? So actually, we should just lower this word because it is case insensitive, right? It's case insensitive, so then yeah, it makes the rest a little bit easier, right? And then we just return it as a string, and then we kind of do it this way. And then now, yeah, if we norm is equal to normalize it by Q. If Q is in vowels, then answer dot append caps. Vowels of Q, and then we contain U. I think this is. No, I mean this doesn't have to be too lowered, but it is a little bit confusing because that, and also, well, it's just confusing because I shouldn't be using Q, right? We used to okay, and then that's it. Hopefully this should be good, and I didn't misread it or anything like that. And maybe I did because I got the wrong answer. Oh, I'm just missing the empty string. Okay. So then, yeah, if none of it matches, then we just, I was wondering. I did see that, but I was going back. Okay, so not too bad, right? Let's give it YOLO submit, and we are good. Yeah, so for each character, how much work do we do, right? For each character, we call this at most ones, lower most one. So everything is like constant number for the input count in queries, like 3 or 4 times or whatever. Same thing for word list, right? 3 or 4 times. So pretty straightforward. Yeah, in terms of linearness, right? It's going to be, I would say, I mean, it's not n, and I want to say n, but it's not quite n in the sense that n would be the number of words, right? So maybe like m, where m is the number of characters. I don't know. Plus another variable, w for the number of characters in queries altogether, and it's linear in respect to that. And that's it. That's all I have with this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and yeah. Stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.